Yo, so who's next on the list to get suppressed by this kid? Like I was spitting these lyrics through a pillow. Now you dead, I'm dropping MCs like flies. Arrive on site and kill it, I'm the illest, you can feel it. Every lyric when I spit it. You wanna battle, Cam, ask any soul. They'll tell you to run, do it for fun, till some fucker acts dumb and tries to kill my buzz. So-called rappers are dumb fucks like drunk sex. Don't toe text, got your bitch's hands around my cock, sign check. Tell me why these fuckers rapping, this shit fake. I drop a single and it's better than their whole mixtape. Wake up, hit the lab, I have mics to melt, beats to pelt with lyricism that will spit out shells. Can't you tell? The lab's the only place that I dwell. For the opposition, every day I'm wishing them well. Diss me, you miss me, I'll come back and just kill it for the thrill. I ain't boasted, I'm just trying to prevail and watch you fail, bitch. Live for 48 hours, some shit, 10 minutes left. Yeah. I ain't boasting, I ain't stunting, I'm just trying to prove something. Cause I ain't sitting on stacks and I ain't throwing hundreds. But I do keep it real, that should say something. Now turn this shit the fuck up and let me say something. Spray something, make your bass bump it. Bitch, I'm all up in your face with it. Tell your bitch I'm coming, I'm aiming where her face is. I'm headed to the top, yeah I'll chase it. Face it, you motherfuckers basic, I'm complex more like a maid's is. I bring full force with enough feet to scorch a hole into a linoleum floor. Then I'll keep bringing more, till everything is ashes. Old school like Flintstone, bring that fire, no matches. Can't match this above average, kill the mic and go ravage when I grab it. Hated on by rappers, half of them actors. They got no flow like GoFo, they need to control their bladder. See, I'm just trying to make some cash without letting it make me. I aim to be the greatest, you could take it or leave.